Hello everybody, hope you're doing well. Right, as I've said, we're cracking on with some of the winter jobs, things that I can get done while the car is in the garage. Like I keep telling everybody, I don't have the space to continue working with the car. I don't have the cover, I don't have anything like that. All I've got is a small yard out the back and what I'm standing in now, which is a garage that I built myself. That said, like you say, there are things that I can be getting on with. So what I've decided that we're going to be doing is we're going to be cracking on with the interior trims. And what we're going to be starting off with first is the door cards. Not in the best of condition. I've seen them on various websites for quite a bit of money. So what I've decided to do is make my own. Alright. Well, as you can see, this one it's bar two gone. All the bottom of the door card itself, all the vinyl is ripped, it's shredded. It's on the back side of it. It's really weathered. The card itself clearly falling apart. So what we're going to do is we're going to strip these back. We're going to strip all the interior trims back, and we're going to use them as templates. Okay. Obviously then we're going to have to cover them. So what I've decided to do is I've invested in some of this stuff, padded faux leather, Bentley stitched, double stitched. The company that supplied me with this in Manchester got it for a song as well. It was really cheap, I'll be honest with you. So yeah, I don't know if you can see, but the stitching is actually green. Which will fall in nice with the car, because once that's done, obviously in the Millennium Jade, we want the interior looking, you know, as good as to match the car itself. So we've got that, and we've also got some green faux leather. So yeah, I'm going to do my best Blue Peter trick and see if I can get as creative as possible, and hopefully get something really nice, something that will, you know, really set the interior of the car off. So yeah, we'll be cracking on with them. So, but like I say, what we're going to do, strip this back, use it as a template, cut out some new pieces of cardboard, and see how long that takes me. Probably going to take me the next couple of weeks or so, but we'll see where we go. Alright, see you in a bit. We're going to crack on with it. Okay, so there we have it. We've just separated the old covering, and that is our template. So let's make some templates. Right, there we go, there's template number one done. So all I'm going to be doing next is doubling up on that, and then we can try and go into the plan, which is to cover it with the stuff that I've just shown you a little bit earlier. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Took me what, about 20 minutes, half an hour. And when you consider how much they're trying to charge it on certain websites for it, I think a quick trip down to B&Q and a little bit of long time pulling it, then yeah, jobs are good. So yeah, let's crack on, let's do the other one, and then we can start looking at covering them. as you can see, that hasn't turned out too bad up to now. Here we go. So there we have it. The plan is top and bottom. We've got that in the lovely faux diamond shaped leather. Obviously stapled it all in across the top here. When you saw it on the video there, we turned the underside up and we've glued it down with the upholstery glue. So that's all done. Stapled it all in on the back, as you can see. And it's actually turned out really well. I'm really pleased with it. The only job that we've got to do now is where I've put the eyelets for the door clips to go in. Then we're going to have to clear them so that we've got the whole thing exposed. What we're planning on doing with that is getting an old soldering iron so that we can basically cut them out, heat cut them out, and yeah, just clear the area where the door clips need to go in. But the centre bit here, we need to go and get some foam. I think it's 3-inch upholstery foam. Sorry, 3mm upholstery foam. So we'll get that in there, and then we can move to put a little bit of greenery in there. Okay, so that it's looking really good. I'm really pleased with it, honestly. You wouldn't believe. I'm really chuffed with it. So, like I say, I need to go away, get some foam, got to run down to an upholstery shop in St Helens, pick some of that up, get back, and once we've got that, then we can crack straight back on and get it all finished up. But yeah, I'm really pleased. See you in a minute. Right, well, there we have it. There it is, door card number 1 done. And I've got to be honest with you, I genuinely and truly did not believe that was going to turn out the way it did. That is absolutely fabulous. I've got no words to tell you that how pleased I am with that finish. That just turned out absolutely spot on. I did not expect for 1 second for that to turn out the way it did. As you can see, we've got the green stitched upholstery faux leather at the bottom, and we've also got it at the top there. The green, I didn't think it'd work. I thought it might have been a bit too bright, but honestly, it's absolutely fabulous. Really is good. And the chrome body trim, self-adhesive, although I did put a little bit of extra adhesive on there just to get it to stick an awful lot better than what it did. I mean, really speaking, it should be pinned in but I don't have the pins to do that. I might actually take it off and do it at a later date, but you know, at the moment I'm just absolutely over the moon with the way that has turned out. Right, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to crack on. I'm going to do the other one, and then we'll go back on the time lapse, and I'll be picking apart all the other bits of interior trim and getting them done in the stitch leather. So let's crack on with that. But honestly, God, that's beyond my expectations. Right, let's get on with it. Here we go again. More interior trim. Alright, what we'll be working on today is these sections which go up towards the footwell, back towards the door. As you can see, again, really poor state of repair and desperate for a new one. So we'll be making 2 of them, and we also have the sections that go around the wheel arches. Again, 2 of those will be getting done. So as per what we did with the door cards, we'll be taking off this nonsense here, and we'll be using it as a template. Also, we've got the top of the dash which sits just under the window. Okay, not too sure what to do with it. I don't know whether to recover it in black or whether to do it in the green faux leather. I'm really torn at the minute, but I'll make a decision some way towards the end of the video, and I'll just show you the end product. All right, but again, it needs taking off, it needs a template making, and we'll just recover it and just see how it gets on. Okay, so everything will be done on time lapse, and the next time you'll see these will be cut, covered and completed. All right. And there we are, all done, all dusted, completed. I think it looks amazing. I don't know about you, but that is all the interior trim, both sides, done. Like I say, I couldn't be any more pleased with that. I've got to give a big shout out to Segal Motor Trimmers over in Salford. They're the people who supplied the Bentley stitched faux leather. I've got to also point out that I'm not sponsored by them in any way, shape or form. They've not given me any money to do this. I just think that what they supplied me with was absolutely first class, and like I say, reasonably cheap. So if you want to get in touch with them, sure they'll supply you with whatever you need to redo the trims or the internal trims on your vehicle. The Bentley stitched stuff was slightly seconds. There's a bit of overstitching on some of the diamonds, but I'm not really that fussed, I've got to be honest with you, because like I say, I can't be any happier than the way it's all just turned out. But for the sake of what was it, 48 quid for that, I think it was a tenner for the green stuff that I got off the internet, 16 quid for 8x4 piece of hardboard. I think I've done really well. I think I saved myself a small fortune, and like I say, it's all handmade. And also one other thing, I've never done this before, never ever done it before, so I'm really pleased with myself. But there we go, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. More to come. Like I say, just getting on with all the winter jobs at the moment, so yeah, we'll see what happens in the next one. Okay, you take it easy. Thanks for watching. Cheers for now. Bye bye.